Welcome to biology class, dear students. Adiman Metric Higher Secondary School, Otangare. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the physiological process. Oh, physiological process means there are so many physiological processes in our body. For example, digestion, respiration. If a digestion process occur only, our body get an energy. Respiration process. If respiration is there only, we getting an oxygen. So this is the physiological process. For that physiological process, biomolecules, cells, tissues, organs, organ system. These are all integratedly working or coordinately working together. Then only their physiological process is success. Our body or any animal body, life is success. If any one organ or any one system is failure, the body is not work properly. For example, if a digestive system is not working properly, you are not get an energy. For example, lung system is not working properly, we are even though dead. Example today, COVID virus. The virus may enter in the lungs, complete damage of the lungs. If your oxygen deficiency or respiration problem comes, the person will dead. So many people are dead. Even high personalities also dead. Now recently the famous singer S.P. Balasubramaniam also dead. So that is the any physiological organs or system is affected, our life is going to be death or disaster. So all the life physiological processes are important. Let us see one by one in them. For that physiological process, that is important thing is homeostasis. The homeostasis is nothing but it is the property of human biological system. Human biological system is one of the character or one of the activity is called homeostasis. The homeostasis is nothing but it is a self-regulating system. Self-regulating system means the body self-regulated. For example, I tell you, our body temperature is maintained normally. Our glucose level maintains normally. The glucose may be high. What happened? The sugar, that is diabetes mellitus is come. That also maintained in our body. Salt level also maintained. So that is self-regulating or self-control. That is otherwise called balance of our body. So our body should be naturally balanced. How naturally balanced? There are so many systems helping for nature of our body in balance. So whenever our body is balanced only, our survival is success. Our life is going to lead into success. So, and also the homeostasis is nothing but the regulation of internal environment. That means internal environment inside our body. For example, body fluid. And if body fluid means water level. If water level there is good in our body, our life leads to success. If water level is low, our life is not success, even though death also occurs. The salt level, sugar level, temperature also maintaining normal. For example, our body temperature is 98.4 Fahrenheit. This is normally maintained. Suppose this may be high, we are not even though goes to lead to death. So this all in our body maintaining or balance by self-regulating. Self means body automatically regulated all these things, that is called homeostasis. For best example, see the mammals maintaining the body temperature. The mammals are maintaining the body, even though man is also mammal, maintaining the body temperature by 98.4 Fahrenheit. This is an example of homeostasis or internal environment. For example, in our body, the behavioral and physiological, these two important processes are very important for stability of homeostasis. Two processes. One is called behavioral, another one is called physiological. These two processes is correct, maintain our body in normal or homeostasis. In simple term, how can we say this homeostasis? The homeostasis is nothing but the balance system. Balance, salt level. Salt level is balance is in our body, we are leading healthy life. Suppose salt is increased, what happened? Our kidney damaged. Even though organs are damaged, the person or animal dead. How do the salt is maintained? The salt maintained by skin and the kidneys. So many structures are present in our body to maintain the balance of our body. Our body is balanced only where leads to survival or successful life. Okay. For example, this simple term is a balance system to maintain the stable environment. That means stable means inside all salt level, temperature level, glucose level, body fluid level, everything normally maintained. This maintenance is very important for survival of the life of any animal. So it's nothing but homeostasis, yeah. Maintenance of body. That means internal environment. That means inside the body, all things are maintained constantly and normally. Temperature normal, salt normal, glucose level normal, body fluid normal, everything normally maintained only leads to our life successfully. If the balance is not maintained or increase or low, even sugar low or increase, or salt increase or decrease, or body fluid increase or decrease, this whatever is happened, our body is not leading to a healthful and successful life. So for example, homeostasis is correctly maintained, lead successfully, and life is continuous. If homeostasis is not, if unsuccessful or it means not maintained, we lead to death or disaster. So two things important. Homeostasis successfully maintained, life is continuously, where life is happily. We also living happily. If homeostasis is not maintained or not maintained unsuccessfully, leads to death or disaster. Simply telling means if your body is homeostasis maintained, you are enjoying your life. The body homeostasis is not maintained, leads to death or disaster. Okay. And see, all process in our body integrated and coordinated by two important systems. One is the nervous system, another one is hormonal system. Hormonal system means endocrine system. The two systems only maintain our body or is goes to maintain the homeostasis of body or internal environment of the body. This two system is very important. One is endocrine, another one is called nervous system. The two system only maintain our body homeostasis level. Okay. For example, also see the liver, one of the organ, the kidney maintaining the salt, the liver filtering in all toxic substance, and brain controlling our body, particularly hypothalamus maintaining the temperature of the body, an autonomic nervous system, an endocrine system is secreting hormones. Okay, with help of the hormones, okay, help to maintain the homeostasis or body balance. For example, I tell you a simple example. Any hot pen touch your hand, you are quickly withdraw your hand by only nervous system. That time your body maintain. It's an outside environment, but I tell you an example. It's the nervous system helping. Then hormone. Hormone is very important to regulating our body or maintenance of our body. If the hormone level is no hormone in our body is not maintained correctly. So these are very important. For example, we see maintenance of body fluid, water level, temperature, or by so many biophysical and biochemical process. So these biochemical and biophysical process maintaining our body fluid and temperature level. So now we see, dear students, now keeply watching this point. See, for example, this is the best example for homeostasis. For example, human is a warm-blooded animal. So warm-blooded animals means our body temperature constant. That means see what our body temperature 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. This temperature not low anytime or not high. Even though temperature is outside 100 degree or rises the temperature, but however our body temperature is not increase, constantly maintained. If temperature low in the environment, but however our body temperature is maintained normally. Okay, this body temperature constantly maintained. Okay, how? Suppose if environment temperature is very high, that time what happened? Our body try to increase temperature, but our body not increase temperature. How? For example, that time the sweat glands are helped. Whenever our body try to increase the temperature, that time Our sweat gland removing high sweat or more water to outside the body. Through the sweat, the heat goes away. So our body temperature will be low or constantly maintained. So that high temperature. Next, suppose our body temperature any time means lower. What will be happen? See, our muscular may be shivering, muscular working, that shivering or muscular work producing more heat. That heat obtained by our body, so increase the body temperature. So anytime our body temperature maintain normally. If high temperature is there, our body removing high temperature by sweat. If low temperature is there, high muscular activity producing more heat to maintaining constant temperature. So anyway, our body maintaining a constant temperature of this 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. This is the best example of homeostasis. Whether temperature is outside high, our body temperature is not increased. If we low, our body temperature is not increased. So maintaining a body temperature is very important. Suppose our temperature is high, more than this 98.4 degree, what happened? Lead to death or disaster. Or low temperature, what will be? High cold will become and our body is dead or disaster will occur. So this is the maintenance of homeostasis. The temperature is constantly maintained only, lead and successful life is there. Okay. Another one example here we see the control of sugar. You know, today most of the people facing this problem, the sugar, the diabetes mellitus, high sugar level is come. This is very important. So many people are affected by the disease. Suppose if high glucose is there in our body, that time the insulin hormone is secreted. This insulin secreted from the beta cells of pancreas. Okay, this insulin converted the high glucose into glycogen and stored into the muscle. So glucose level automatically reduced. Suppose in our body low glucose is there. What happened? Already the glucose stored in the glycogen in muscles. That glycogen break down by the glucagon hormone into glucose. The glucose again come to mixes with the blood. So this is done by glucagon hormone. So these two hormone important, insulin and glucagon. The insulin secreted by beta cell. Okay, the glucagon secreted by alpha cell. These both cells are present in the pancreas. Both cells are present in the pancreas. The pancreas is one of the endocrine gland. Okay, is present in our body. It's maintaining our glucose level. So this is a endocrine system. These two are very important. The nervous system and endocrine system is very important system to balance internal environment. That means maintaining homeostasis in our body. Homeostasis is nothing but the maintenance of internal environment of our body. What is internal environment of the body? Body fluid, salt level, glucose level, temperature level. This maintaining normally in our body. That is called homeostasis. If this hormone is not there in our body, the sugar will come, diabetes mellitus, the person dead immediately. If body temperature is not maintained, the person immediately dead or will happen. So that is the two system, the nervous system and endocrine system is very important to maintaining the homeostasis in our body. For example, I tell you one of the hormone is thyroxine. It is called personality hormone. The hormone is very low. What happens? See, the very low means the metabolic rate is very low. Metabolic rate is very low, the person is very swelling. If the thyroxine hormone is more, metabolic rate is very high level is there, what will happen? The person is very, very thin. So, thin, only aiduvanga. This is the personality hormone. So, in our body, the homeostasis is the internal environment of the body. அதாவது உடம்புக்குள்ள எல்லாம் கரெக்டாக இருக்கணும். டெம்பரேச்சரு, தண்ணி அளவு, உப்பு அளவு, குளுக்கோஸ் அளவு இதெல்லாம் உடம்புல கரெக்டாக இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம வாழ்க்கை வாழ முடியலாம், இறந்து போயிடுவாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் கால் ஹோமியோஸ்டாட்டிசிஸ். இதை கரெக்டாக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறது யாருன்னா the nervous system and endocrine system. Endocrine systems ஹார்மோன் செக்ரீட் பண்ணுது. தட் மீன்ஸ் இன்சுலின் அண்ட் குளுக்கோகான். இந்த ஹார்மோன்ஸ் இல்லை அப்படின்னா நமக்கு சுகர் வந்து இறந்து போயிடுவோம். நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம் ஒழுங்காக இல்லைன்னா உடம்பு கண்ட்ரோலாக வராது. ஸோ எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் மெயின்டைன் இன்சைட் அவர் பாடி. That is called homeostasis. Remind students, homeostasis, internal environment constantly maintaining. That is called homeostasis. That constantly maintaining only will lead into a successful life. That homeostasis maintained by two systems. One is called nervous system. Another one is called endocrine system. For example, in our body fluid, temperature, salt level, sugar level, everything is maintained normally. Only we maintain our body, otherwise lead into our life disaster or death of any animal. That is called homeostasis. The homeostasis is one of the physiological process. Okay, dear students, I hope you are understand. Thank you. Have a nice study.